Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to divide numbers written in scientific notation. This process simplifies working with extremely large or small values. We will break it down into two straightforward steps. First, we will focus on dividing the numerical parts, also known as the coefficients. Then, we will move on to handling the powers of 10, which involves a simple subtraction. The first step is to divide the coefficients, which are the numbers before the times 10 to the power of part. For instance, if you have 6.0 times 10 to the power of 5 divided by 2.0 times 10 to the power of 2, you would divide 6.0 by 2.0. This gives you 3.0. It's just a standard division operation. Next, we handle the exponents of 10. You subtract the exponent of the divisor from the exponent of the dividend. Following our example, you would subtract 2 from 5, resulting in 3. So, your new power of 10 becomes 10 to the power of 3. Remember, this subtraction rule is fundamental for dividing numbers in scientific notation. Finally, combine your new coefficient and your new exponent. In our example, this gives us 3.0 times 10 to the power of 3. Always check that your final coefficient is a number between 1 and 10, not including 10 itself. If it's not, you'll need to adjust the coefficient and the exponent accordingly to maintain proper scientific notation format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.